Today is a new beginning on this channel. It's my first attempt to create a video that doesn't suck. Oh, and it's my 1,000 subscriber thank you video. Can you do a thank you video that doesn't suck? I've seen a lot of community thank you videos. Most of these videos involve someone standing in front of a camera, reading from a card, to try to make sure they don't miss anybody.
Bueller.
And 2 days ago, before someone challenged me not to make videos that suck, I would have been doing the same thing. Because, you know what? It's easy content. Sometimes these community thank you videos are like the most watched videos on people's channels. Why is that? Is it really that interesting to see people read from a card? I think they stick around just like I do to see if they're actually mentioned in the video. But can we make it fun and inspiring and interesting? I don't know. Let's see. If I was to individually thank every single one of the 1,000 amazing people who said they liked my content by clicking that subscribe button, this would not be a very interesting video. Just know I love every single one of you. But there are a few people who have gone way above and beyond in supporting my channel and helping me grow and just being there whenever I was down. So I'd like to take the opportunity to thank just a few of those people. So let's do that. First and foremost, there is Yankee's Outdoor Adventure, OnlyClaire Jones, Demonic Wombat, and Happy Trails Hiking, KN Matt. These are the folks who've probably seen every single one of my videos. They've been around since I had probably 100 subscribers, encouraging me and giving me the confidence that I was on the right path, I was doing the right thing. And without some of these individuals, there's just no way I ever make 1,000 subscribers, or maybe even 200. Then there are all those amazing creators that I had the opportunity to meet in person. Yankee's Outdoor Adventure, The Jayman Show, Gator The Legend, PanicDVideos, Cody Wanner,
Bond. James Bond.
Skinny G Panda, Dragon Rome, Inspired John,
Johnny!
Alejandro Perez, Needy from Needs More Subs,
Yo, Adrian!
Aaron Wilson, Steve Miller Photo,
Maximus Decimus Meridius,
Michael T Panetta, Jay Lippman, The Fantastic Joe, Alan Lamb, and those people that I've collaborated with remotely, including all of the amazing members of the Worldwide Collab. Joker from the Creators Alliance, who actually gave me my first interview. All the amazing guests on up-and-coming tubers like Ragin' the Worst, Happy Trails Hiking,
Inigo Montoya,
Clint Moore, who was Mountain Survival back then if you want to check it out, Cody Wanner, Will's World Media, and Gator The Legend. I cannot thank these individuals enough for giving me their time and talking about their craft and giving me the inspiration to try to be a better filmmaker every single day. Those guys are awesome. Then there are a few who have contributed directly with financial support to my channel. I couldn't possibly do this without you guys. Needs More Subs, PanicDVideos, Alejandro Perez, and OnlyClaire Jones have supported me on Patreon, and I thank you so much. NichFam TV and Susan's Creative have contributed to my gear fund, and I really appreciate it. My brother has also made a really generous contribution to my gear fund. I couldn't do this without him. Thank you so much, Sean. I also want to thank Backpacking with Jason and Chandra Pivo for contributing to the GoFundMe that's hopefully going to take me all the way to Miami, Florida. Guys, your contribution means so much to Monica and I couldn't possibly continue to do this without your support, so thank you so much. Seth Allison for the amazing YouTube play button, Weihmue Custom wood designs for this unbelievable plaque right here. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Pam's Great Outdoor Adventure, Jöran, M and the Gang, Burnwood Bushcraft, WoodPigeon Outdoors. You guys have all been there for me at one time or another. Thank you so much. BK42 amazingly created my logo out of the blue, and then t-shirt designs too. Big props to you, BK42. Thank you so much. Michael T Panetta has given me his time, his energy, his inspiration, and even loaned me his really nice camera gear and helped me so much along the way. I can never repay you, Michael T. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pusa Studios, what you have done for me out of the blue with Inspired John. There are no words. Thank you. And one more person. I want to say especially thank you so much, Clint Moore, for always being there in the good days and the bad days, letting me vent being there to bounce ideas off of, and just in general picking me up with your amazing spirit. You're gonna go far, and I couldn't have possibly gotten here without you. And every single person who's ever commented or enjoyed one of my videos, thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means to me to have you along on my amazing YouTube journey, and I'm not quitting anytime soon. So did I actually create the 1,000 subscriber thank you video that doesn't suck? I don't know, you be the judge. But I did the best I could, and I'm gonna keep working every day to be better. So go out there, find your adventure, have a great day. A great day. And I will see you again soon. What are your plans today?
Well, more driving at the very least, and then we'll see where we stop, whether it might be home or it might be halfway there.
Awesome.
So,
Awesome.
Still got 6 hours to go.